Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
So why you think you will be a good cause Sarah?
I am passionate, hardworking, and reliable. I am also friendly and wanted.
It's a day. Here you are good at math.
Yes, that right. I am actually top for my class.
I see. Are you unable to work Saturday?
Yes, that not problem.
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 Well, I think I will give you a tutorial pro. You will come for a super of house tomorrow.
I am a fast not. I am free on Monday. Coach.
Okay, come at 8:32 a.m. I show you how everything works and if all goes well you can start next week.
Thank you very much.